Today, we will show you how to create a rate plan in your Exely Extranet. In the Room Management, Rate Plans, you can create all rate plans that you offer in your hotel. To create a rate plan, click Create Base Rate Plan button. Give the name of the rate plan, for example, Best Available Rate or Bed and Breakfast. We recommend avoiding such names as Rec Rate or Bar because they are not clear enough to the guests. After that, select the currency. Be aware that it's impossible to change currency in the already created rate plan. Then, specify if meals are included and click Save. Next, the General Settings tab opens. Tick the room types that are available for the selected rate. Then, specify the available payment methods, points of sale, and cancellation rule that should be applied to the rate. Next, go to the Rate Display on the Website tab. Give a detailed description of the rate plan. If it is not filled, it makes it impossible for guests to understand what the rate includes. You can write about parking, gym, and other services. Upload an icon and promo image to the rate to attract guests' attention. Click Save when you're done. On the Services tab, add services to motivate guests to book. Finally, set the prices to make a rate plan active on the Prices and Restrictions tab. To set prices for rates, go to the Prices and Restrictions tab. Here, you can set different prices for days of the week, seasons, and so on. In the calendar, choose a time span to have the same prices. You can do it in the following ways. Mark the days by stretching your mouse pointer. Alternatively, click on a month on the left to mark all the days of the month. Click on Days of the Week at the top of the calendar to mark these days of the week throughout the year. Click on the year in the top left corner to mark all the days of the year starting from today. After you mark a time span, click on Change Value on the right. Click on the For All Room Types tab to add prices for all room types in the same light box. Set the prices in the corresponding boxes. Click on Save. Click on Unmark on the left. This is how you create a rate plan quickly. We also recommend you to add promotions like last-minute offer, early booking, or long stay to attract the guests on your website. If you have extra questions, feel free to contact the Exely Customer Support team.